I'm so goddamn good. Look at me. What? Why? What is that? What is happening? Why are you doing that? Why would you do? Oh! 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 Hey! Whoa! 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 Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! No! 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 Hey! Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! No, don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you freaking do it. No, no, no! I'm dangerous. I'm lethal. I'll kill you. I'll eat your face off. I'll bite your whole neck in twain! Ooh! What do I do? What do I do? Oh! Ah! That might have been one of the best scares I've experienced in a long time. What in the hell? What was it even thinking? What was it even thinking doing something like that? Nope, nope. Okay, wait. Ah, man, I already knew about that. Come here, you. Hi, what's up, pal? Hi, pal. Whoa, that's a little too close. Okay, but if I, wait, I'm just gonna, I know this is crazy. Oh God, I can't get over there. Okay, hit it. That's great. That's great. Hit it. Faster. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Okay. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Oh, I jumped too short. Hey! It's fine. It's fine. Oh my God. It's fine. It's fine. Emergency stop. So what's up with this?